the ultimate guide to getting glass skin. The glass skin trend gets the top spot if we had to pick just one Korean beauty craze that has swept the globe. Our skin should have a glass-like sheen that is dewy and bright. That's why how glass skin got its name. It means skin that looks like a piece of glass, crystal clear, flawless, poreless, translucent, and luminous. Every woman desires to have flawless glass skin. It only requires the combined superpower of careful eating and skincare. For that dewy complexion, one must consume healthy fats like those found in avocados and walnuts. AFAs, vital fatty acids, are called crucial for this reason, after all. While there are undoubtedly hundreds of tutorials available to help you achieve glass skin, if you're looking for a natural solution to achieving glass skin, we've covered it in this video. More than just a skincare routine is required to get the glass skin look. The healthiest appearance of your skin without makeup requires a healthy, balanced lifestyle. How to get glass skin naturally? 1. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. The best choice is blueberries since, despite their small size, they are high in anthocyanins, an antioxidant that strengthens your body's defenses against free radicals. Various other skin-friendly foods include sweet potatoes, grapes, peppers, and oranges, leafy green vegetables, such as kale and spinach. Antioxidants in fruits and green leafy vegetables help your body resist oxidative stress. 2. Consume more healthy fats. The fact is that healthy fats maintain your skin's barrier, keep it moisturized and supple, and help produce clear, healthy skin. Healthy fats benefit your skin in many ways, such as promoting skin elasticity, moisturizing your skin, and reducing inflammation. Healthy fats like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids help your skin retain moisture. Increase your consumption of the following healthy fats in your diet. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Olive oil and avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. 3. Be as hydrated as a houseplant. When you drink water, your skin maintains its elasticity, hydration, and freshness. If you drink plenty of water, your skin heals burns, minor cuts, and scars faster. Drinking water can also prevent dry, acne-prone, and rough skin, which are signs of aging. 4. Get some beauty sleep. The reason for the name beauty sleep: as you sleep, your skin is known to produce collagen, which maintains skin elasticity and gives it a plump appearance. How to get glass skin with skincare, step by step. Step 1. Double cleansing. Double cleansing is a Korean skincare secret that involves using 2 different types of cleansers to ensure that all makeup, dirt, and impurities are removed from the skin. The first cleanser is usually an oil-based cleanser used to remove makeup and sunscreen. The second cleanser is water-based and is used to remove any residue and impurities. Step 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is important for removing dead skin cells that can make the skin look dull and rough. Korean skincare products often use gentle chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs that work to dissolve dead skin cells. Step 3. Toning. Toning is an essential step in Korean skincare that helps to balance the skin's pH levels and prepare it for the next steps in the routine. Korean toners are often formulated and soothing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Step 4. Essence. Essence is a lightweight, watery product that is used to hydrate and nourish the skin. It contains active ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, and snail mucin that work to brighten, even out skin tone, and improve the skin's texture. Step 5. Serum. Serums are highly concentrated products that target specific skin concerns like wrinkles, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. Korean serums are often formulated with innovative ingredients like ginseng, propolis, and Centella asiatica that provide anti-aging and skin brightening benefits. Step 6. Sheet mask. Sheet masks are a Korean skincare staple that provides intense hydration and nourishment to the skin. They are single-use masks made from cotton, hydrogel, and cellulose. Step 7. Eye cream. The skin around the eyes is delicate and requires special care. Korean eye creams with ingredients like caffeine, niacinamide, and green tea work to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. Step 8. Moisturizer. Moisturizing is essential for maintaining healthy, hydrated skin. Korean moisturizers are often lightweight and easily absorbed into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration. They often contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides that strengthen the skin barrier and prevent moisture loss. Step 9. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in Korean skincare. It protects the skin from UV damage and prevents premature aging. Korean sunscreens are often light, easily absorbed, and offer a high level of protection from both UVA and UVB rays.